Hello everybody, today in front of me I have nothing, phone 1, and in this video we would like to show how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up the settings. Next we'll go to the display category, expand the available values for the screen timeout. Here we'll see that the maximum value that we can set by the default means of the system is 30 minutes. Thereby, if we would like to still be able to set this value to never, let's go ahead and use the third-party free application that is called Caffeine. So I'll go ahead and open up the Play Store. In here I'll type in Caffeine. That is exactly the app that we are looking for. And now all that it's left to do is to open it and make sure that the value that is set as per this timeout section of it is infinite. Therefore, as long as the Caffeine app is active and running, your screen will not turn off automatically at all, no matter for how much time you'll keep it in the idle status. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.